Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be attempting to create a drag wig that I purchased off of Amazon. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the details of the wig I purchased. The only one they had was in dark brown. The wig is about $9, and that was the only one that I can get really quickly, so I decided to get the dark brown. And here are the reviews. Normally when I get anything less than a 70, I'm pretty disappointed, and I wasn't surprised with this one either. As you can see, the wig, yeah, it's nice and curly. That brown looks very reddish. To say it's a dark brown, it looks more like a light brown to me. The curls are crushed. But here's how it looks so far, just putting it on. Even the bangs are pretty flat. So what I intend on doing here, I forgot to mention that the hair is pretty thin. But then again, what can you expect for $8? And it's shedding like crazy. Just take a look at the, see, that's the shedding, like a big chunk of hair. So I'm just showing you right here how small the cap is. It's pretty small. I'm just going to go ahead on and try to start styling the wig. I'm brushing through the wig, and the hair is coming out in clumps. It doesn't fit properly on my head. It's entirely too small. In my experience, I think I should probably start making my own wigs. They have hair at the beauty supply store that I can purchase in synthetic, and I can make that work better than this stuff right here. So right here I'm just going to try to give it a try and make it work. So I'm trying to make sure it's nice and level on each side of my head so that when I go to cut it, it'll be even on either side. So I'm going to chop off about like that much, because that's where the bulk of the hair stops at, and I want it to look thicker than it actually is, because like I said before, the wig is pretty thin. So we're just going to take a look and see what's going on here. Okay, so right here, this is the wig on my mannequin head. I didn't have the canvas block with me, and I didn't have a styrofoam one, so I decided to use the mannequin head that I purchased before, and it actually works pretty good. The only thing is her head is much smaller than mine. So I just bought me some T-pins. I got them extra large, or extra long, should I say. There's the curl, the crimp in the curl that I was trying to tell you about. Well, I'm trying to make sure that the head is the wig is level on both sides, so when I cut it, it'll be even, or it's about as even as I can get it. And yeah, so I'm just sticking it in the head. It actually fits in this head. The T-pins actually go into the head, so that's pretty cool. It's something I learned today. So right here I'm just making sure I cut the bottom, because you've already seen me do the top. And yeah, I'm gonna go and start trying to layer the hair, basically like you know, make it a little bit short at the top. So I guess you can call that long layers, when everything is lifted up to the top. But then I was like at the bottom, I didn't want it to get any thinner, so I just kind of angled it where it goes from shorter to longer, which by leaving more hair at the bottom than you normally would. So we just take a look at this really quick. I mean, I'm just showing you what I did. This is not exactly like a tutorial or anything, more so okay, I'm just trying this out and see if this works. Maybe next time I'll purchase a wig that costs a little bit more, because honestly I think I needed about 2. So I guess maybe next time I'll get one that's $20 and see where that takes me. So right here I'm just going in and I'm adding the layers like I told you before, and I'll be back for further commentary. Okay, so here's what it's looking like after I finish layering it. Like I said, the curls are crimped. They're like smushed and everything. So what I'm going to do next is try to curl it. Now, I don't have a steamer like a lot of people have online when they do these things. So I'm just going to boil curl it, and we'll see the results in a few. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the rollers that I use. They have the little sticky Velcro things on the surface, and I have some bobby pins in order to keep it in. Right here I'm just showing you the wavy part is the part that goes at the scalp, and that's the part that I'm gonna well, put at the scalp so I can make sure that it's secured onto the hair. Okay, here's the finished set. I wanted to use larger rollers in the front, but I didn't have any left over. So just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here it's in the microwave. I have some water, and I'm gonna put it in a pot. And what I'm gonna do is use fabric softener. It was pretty cheap, so just shook it up, and I'm going to use a cap full in here. It turns out this isn't enough water for me to submerge or totally submerge the wig, so I'm going to end up having another container of water. So as you can see here, I can't really get all of the wig into the water. So in a few, I'm going to borrow some more water. I'm going to add it, and we're going to take a look and see what's going on after that. Okay, so right here I'm just adding the second container of water. It's nice and boiled and hot and steaming, and so I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take the rollers out. And when I was taking it out, a lot of hair came out with it. And so this is the finished look before I start combing it and everything. And I'm gonna use a teasing comb just like I see in the videos, and this is how I teased it. And I'm right here, I'm trying to mesh the two teased pieces together, and yeah, it just looks like a mess, but I figured, you know, oh, that's what everyone does online. So I'm right here, I'm taking the hairspray, I'm taking the pick part of the teasing comb and trying to well, create a shape, and it's not really working out too well for me. And I'm using hairspray once I find a style that I like or whatever. Again, the bangs are a little bit too curly for my liking, but yeah, I spent quite a bit of time trying to fix this, and I wasn't too happy with the results. So what I'm going to do here is I just brushed the entire thing out, which was like just a waste of time. As you can see, a lot of hair is coming out, and that doesn't look like a dark brown to me. I just keep saying that. And in a few, I'm going to show you the results. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the finished results. I'm taking my heated brush and trying to relax the curls in the front because they were looking a little bit too tight. This helped a little bit, but not very much. I was thinking maybe I can cut it into a nice shape, but like I said, it doesn't even cover the area just above my my ears or my temples, really. So I don't know, I'm just like maybe this is a fail, and I'll just try something differently. I think maybe next time I'll try a $20 wig. Maybe that might help, but I've seen some for like $40, and everyone gets the lace front. That's Charlie's Angels right there. And yeah, one side is thicker than the other. Like they put more tracks on the right hand side than they did on the left. I don't know if you can see that. It's a lot fuller. I believe this was a fail and a waste of money. Okay, just a brief side note. I think I look kind of like David Koresh. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.